Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial about web development front end, and today we will look to font and text in CSS. So I have a folder here, font. Let's create page, which is we'll call it index HTML. Then we'll create another page, we'll call it style.css. All right, so in the HTML we need the exclamation mark here and tab, and let me just do the link to the style CSS. There you go. So okay, I'm gonna add a few text, bear with me. Okay, you can add your own, then we will get back and do some of the font. All right, so this is just if you see, this is heading 1, this is heading 3, and this is inside this text actually inside a division. And after that, the responsibility here is H3, heading 3. Okay, this is heading 3. You have bullets. This is the responsibilities for this job. So all of them in the list here is in a bullet. Then you have the qualifications. Again, this is the qualifications is heading 3. Then you have also a list. But the thing is here, you have a list, and inside it is another list. See, this is actually is internal list as well, and other list. So I purposely choose this example so that you can understand and you can know ahead what are the requirements if you want to be a web developer, and what are the skills that you need to have, and if you don't have, you need to work on. So this is like a roadmap for you to enhance yourself, enhance your skills, so that you can be wanted for this types of jobs. Okay, so with no further delay, let's go and we will use let's go and create our font and text example. But in this actually CSS, we will use the mode of external style sheet. So since we have the style CSS and it's already linked, now let's add some of the classes. Okay, because we need to invoke those classes to the external sheet here. So let me go to the first one under font and text here in this division. I will name class as job. Okay, this is the class, and I will add another class here in the, let me just check. I need another class here. I need you to highlight those and give them a different color. Let me find where they are. Yeah, they are here. So I have UL here. Then I will name class. This class is skill or skills. Okay. So we are done from the class. So I have two classes that I will invoke, and the rest I can deal with the elements. So let's come up here and let's do some formatting. So I will do like this, body. Okay. So the body, we will give it a width of 1000 pixel. Save. See if you maximize, see what happened, and see how it was before. Let me just go back now here. See, body, save. See, it was until here. So now we need to narrow the body down a bit. So I'll come up here, I'll say width is 1000 pixel. As soon as I did this, you will see here the font, it comes or narrowed down, or in other words, it's not justified, but just narrowed down a bit. Okay, there you go. Next is we need to call the class job opportunity, but job opportunity. Okay. Then we will give it font family. So let's choose whatever we want. Actually, I like Times New Roman, so I will choose it. See, as soon as I check, becomes all Times New Roman. Let me justify. So text, you have this text line. We'll say justify. So let me justify. See here, it is actually justified. Now, if you maximize, it is actually justified. See? Okay. It is justified. Let's give it text here. Text decoration. We'll see none. What we mean by decoration means that I will not give you this underlines and other stuff. Line height. Mean the spacing. Line height. That means it's gonna be 2. See, it gives you spacing between the lines. Okay, it's enough for the job opportunity this class. Now let's see the H3. For example, I need all those H3. So this is, as we learned in previous tutorial, this is element. So we will call it as it is. So we will give it the color to be red. See, all the H3 becomes red. We add even more font family. This time we will use, let me just see, randomly we'll use Arial. Okay, save. See, it becomes different. What else? Let's say font weight. I'll call it bold. So there, font weight is bold. Then we'll say text alignment. So we will justify. We have to do font style. Font style. See, to be normal, italic, inherited. So we'll go normal. Text decoration. Text decoration. We will say, you see, we have, ouch, comes up here. Text decoration. So you have dash, dotted, so we need underline. Okay, see what's gonna happen. This is underline. Text decoration. Text transformation. Okay, text transformation. Okay, so we will call it uppercase. Case. Okay. I think is transform. Yes. Text transform is uppercase. This is if you want to change it into uppercase or lowercase. Lowercase. See. So we'll make it as uppercase. Okay. What else? Text shadow. You have here text shadow. We'll make it 2 pixel 0 0 and it's gonna be black. See, becomes different. I think is enough for H3. Let's see the skills. I want those to be highlighted because those are the skills that you need to develop. See, JavaScript, which is in this class. React.js, you need to understand it. By the way, React.js and Angular, they are almost same. HTML and CSS, See those three languages, HTML and CSS and JavaScript. We will learn it in this class. React and AngularJS, you will learn it in advanced web programming. And a trust SQL server and so on, you study it in database. Java, you study it as well. Python, done. C# or C++ is done. It is just you need to deal with uh, some of the languages that you need to enhance yourself. The rest is all actually you should study it in web development and databases classes. So you can be full stack developer, front end and back end as well. So let's see the skills, as we said, dot skills. All right. So in the skills, we will give it the color as blue. See, it becomes blue. It gives it a font family as, let me just choose this one. All right, just to be highlighted here. Then the next is text alignment. Text alignment is going to be justify. Font style. Font style. Let's just use italic. Italic, because all those need to be highlighted. We will say no text decoration. Text decoration, say none. Okay. Lastly, let's say H1 here to have shadow, so I'll say H1 text shadow. We'll give it 2 pixels, 0, 0, say black. Save. Oh, this time let's give it red. It's already black, so let's give it a red color. Red. This is how does it look like. So you can play with fonts, different types of fonts. So use the family font. And by the way, if you go to Google, this is the different types, you see. The font. Windows font. And how do they look like. So you can choose the one that you like to work on. Alright guys, so that's the end of this tutorial. We'll see you in another tutorial.